Hello? Did you close me out of your room? Who's over there? Oh, it's Wolf. Watch your fingers, Faye. There you go. Good job. Yeah. Yeah, good job. Do you need that pacifier right now? Can I take it out? Is that your word for pacifier and you need it back? Yeah. Yeah. Who's that? Faye, is that Boris? Can you not get him out? Do you need some help? That's a pretty rough way to pull him out of there. You gonna sit on your chair? Oh, no? Okay. You just gonna sit on the heater there? Oh, I can have it now? Thank you. Yeah. Oh, look how you sit in your chair. That's very nice. Yeah, that's very nice. Yeah. Oh, did you leave Boris over there? Hey, Faye. What does Boris say? Rawr, yeah, good job. Are you sneaking over to him? Boris, there you go. Boris the lion. Yeah. You gonna sit on him? Yeah, you like sitting on your animals, don't you? Yeah. Okay. Hey, Faye, let's go bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye, Faye.